Now let's look at ways to remove elements from a dictionary. As you can see here, I have a dictionary person with the first name, last name, age, state, and job keys corresponding with the values John, Smith, 30, Florida, and programmer. I have a result variable, and then I'm going to print the result variable and print the person dictionary. The first two methods I'm going to show you are how to remove and return values. The first one is the pop method. So I'm going to type in my dictionary variable name .pop. And if I hover over this method, it tells us that it removes a specified key and returns the corresponding value. So if I pass in the job key, it is going to remove this key value pair from the dictionary, and it's going to return the value programmer to result. When I run that, we get the output programmer for result, and we get our dictionary with the job programmer key value pair removed. Now, if I were to actually remove job from my dictionary and run this, it's going to raise a key error because the key job does not exist. So I could pass in a default value to return if it doesn't find the key so that I don't get an error. And I could just simply say no job found. And if I run that, we'll get the output no job found, and my dictionary does not contain the key job anywhere in it. The next method is the pop item method. So I'm going to type pop item in here. And this method returns a tuple containing the key and value of the last item in the dictionary. So in this case, state Florida is the last item in this dictionary. So it is going to return that tuple into result. And if I run this, we'll see that we get this output of the tuple containing state, which is the key, and Florida, which is the value. And then my dictionary no longer contains the key value state in Florida. We can also just use the del keyword to simply delete an element that we no longer want in our dictionary. So I'm going to type del, and then I will type the name of the dictionary and then square brackets, and then the key that I want to remove. And unlike pop and pop item, this isn't going to return anything. It's simply going to remove age from this dictionary. And when I run that, we'll see that age and 30 is no longer in our dictionary here. And if you wanted to simply wipe everything out, you could use the clear method. So if I typed in here person.clear and run this, we'll get the output of two empty curly braces, which indicates it is now an empty dictionary.